Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to share with you best trading strategy. We open Euro USD in M30 time frame. This strategy we are using a combination of three indicators: the Stochastic, RSI, and MACD. First, let's start with the Stochastic because that will generate our main entry signal. The Stochastic is a very simple to use indicator that does a very good job of identifying overbought and oversold levels on the market. And so let's move on to the second indicator for our strategy, which is the RSI. The RSI is one of the most famous indicators used in trading, and a popular way of using the RSI is by trading it as an overbought and oversold indicator. However, for this combination strategy, that first we need to go to the indicator settings and change both of these levels to 50. So now we have a single line in the middle like this, and the way we use it to confirm a trend is very simple. If the RSI is above the middle line, it means that the price is on an uptrend, so you only take buy positions, and if the RSI is below the middle line, it means that the price is on a downtrend, so you only take sell positions. Now let's move on to the third indicator, which is the MACD. The MACD is one of the most popular indicators that does a very good job of detecting momentum, and a common way of using the MACD is by taking a buy position if the MACD line crosses above the signal line, and taking a sell position if the MACD line crosses below the signal line. However, this strategy only works if the market is trending. If the market is moving sideways, the MACD often gives false signals, so that is why for this combination strategy we are not going to buy or sell just because the MACD crosses over. Instead, we are using it to give extra confirmation and making sure that the momentum is on our side, and so this is how the Stochastic, RSI and MACD strategy works. First, let's start with their entry signal. To identify a buy signal, the first step is you want Now all three indicators are in overbought zone, so we get a buy trade confirmation signal. We place buy trade here. Now we set a stop loss on previous lower low. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. The Stochastics, RSI and MACD strategy works. First, let's start with our entry signal to identify sell signal. Now all three indicators oversold zone, so we get a sell trade confirmation signal. Here we place sell trade. Now we set a stop loss on previous higher high. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.